Mistakes to avoid with vegetarian or vegan diet. A well-balanced vegetarian or vegan diet offers numerous health benefits, such as weight loss, improved blood sugar control, reduced risk of heart disease, and a lower likelihood of certain cancers. However, ensuring a nutrient-rich vegetarian or vegan diet can be challenging, requiring careful planning to meet all essential nutritional needs. In this video, we explore some of the most common pitfalls people encounter on a vegetarian or vegan diet and provide practical tips on how to avoid them, ensuring your diet remains both healthy and satisfying. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps to bring more high-quality content to your screen. 1. Assuming vegan or vegetarian products are automatically healthier. Just because a product is labeled vegetarian or vegan doesn't automatically make it healthier than its non-vegetarian counterpart. Take almond milk, for example, a popular plant-based option frequently used in vegan diets. While almond milk is low in calories and fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, it's not necessarily healthier than cow's milk. For instance, 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of low-fat cow's milk contains 8 grams of protein, whereas the same amount of unsweetened almond milk provides only 1 gram. Additionally, sweetened almond milk can be high in added sugars, with as much as 16 grams of sugar per cup. Similarly, other vegetarian products like soy-based veggie burgers, nuggets, and meat substitutes are often highly processed and contain a long list of artificial ingredients. As a result, they may be no healthier than processed non-vegetarian foods. 2. Replacing meat with cheese. One of the simplest ways to make a dish vegetarian is to remove the meat and substitute it with cheese. This swap works well for flavor in sandwiches, salads, pasta, and many other dishes. However, while cheese does provide a good amount of protein, vitamins, and minerals, it doesn't offer the same range of nutrients that meat does. For instance, 1 ounce, 28 grams, of beef contains 4 times more iron and twice as much zinc as 1 ounce of cheddar cheese. Cheese also has less protein and more calories compared to meat. Ounce for ounce, cheese contains only about 80% of the protein found in chicken but nearly 2.5 times the calories. Rather than simply replacing meat with cheese, it's important to include a variety of plant-based foods in your diet to ensure you're meeting your nutrient needs. 3. Eating too few calories. With many foods and food groups off limits, vegans and vegetarians may find it challenging to meet their calorie needs. Chickpeas, quinoa, tempeh, lentils, beans, and nuts are all excellent options to help create a well-rounded vegetarian diet. Studies show that vegans and vegetarians often consume fewer calories than those who include both meat and plants in their diets. One study examining the dietary habits of 1,475 people found that vegans had the lowest calorie intake, consuming 600 fewer calories on average compared to those who ate both meat and plants. Vegetarians, while slightly higher in calorie intake than vegans, still consumed 263 fewer calories than omnivores. Calories are the body's primary energy source, and sufficient intake is essential for maintaining overall health. Severely restricting calories can lead to various negative side effects, including nutrient deficiencies, fatigue, and a slower metabolism. These foods can help ensure that you're meeting your energy needs while maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet. To avoid these issues, it's important for vegans and vegetarians to include calorie-dense, nutrient-rich foods in their diets. Consider adding healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, as well as incorporating whole grains, legumes, and starchy vegetables. 4. Not getting enough vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is crucial for several bodily functions, including the production of red blood cells and DNA. However, the primary sources of vitamin B12 are animal products like meat, poultry, shellfish, eggs, and dairy. This puts vegetarians at a higher risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. A lack of vitamin B12 can lead to fatigue, memory issues, and numbness. It may also result in megaloblastic anemia, a condition where the body produces fewer red blood cells than needed. One concern is that a high intake of folate can mask vitamin B12 deficiency, delaying symptoms until irreversible damage occurs. Fortunately, vegetarians can still meet their vitamin B12 needs through fortified foods, certain types of edible algae, and supplements. To avoid deficiency, vegetarians should monitor their vitamin B12 intake closely and consider taking supplements if they're not getting enough from the diet. 5. Not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is essential for everyone, but it's particularly important for those who consume a lot of fiber, such as vegetarians and vegans. Vegetarians typically have a higher fiber intake due to their diets, which are rich in legumes, vegetables, and whole grains. A study found that omnivores consume around 27 grams of fiber per day, while vegetarians and vegans consume approximately 34 grams and 41 grams, respectively. Drinking enough water is crucial when consuming fiber, as it helps move the fiber through the digestive tract, reducing the risk of gas, bloating, and constipation. Fiber is vital for overall health and has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and obesity. To support digestive health, it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you're meeting or exceeding the recommended daily fiber intake. Women should aim for at least 25 grams of fiber per day, and men should aim for at least 38 grams. To ensure you're drinking enough water, consider carrying a reusable water bottle, setting reminders, or adding natural flavorings like lemon or cucumber to make water more appealing. Additionally, incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges into your diet can further support hydration. 6. Forgetting about iron. Meat is a rich source of many essential vitamins and minerals, including iron. A 3-ounce, 85-gram serving of ground beef, for instance, provides about 14% of your daily iron needs. However, a well-planned vegetarian diet that includes iron-rich plant foods can adequately meet your iron needs. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, it's important to include plenty of iron-rich foods like lentils, beans, fortified cereals, nuts, seeds, oats, and leafy greens in your diet. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps to bring more high-quality content to your screen. To improve the absorption of non-heme iron, pair these foods with those high in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, berries, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Adding a vegetable side dish, salad, or a piece of fruit to your meals can significantly boost iron absorption.